Once you have completed GRiP and wish to develop a report, PACES has an export function for the GRiP. So click Export, and then it will ask you what type of document you like, whether a PDF document or a Word document. It will also ask you which analysis you've done should be included in a report. And then just click Export. It will be in your Downloads folder. And this is what the report would look like. The report also generates a GRiP table that looks like this, which shows the criteria, the barriers, the enablers, as well as your strategies.